So again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and I am going to try and be fast. I've got some Venetian blue from Masterminds, some turquoise that's color shifting from Folk Art, a pan of colors left over, and some other colors. And I want to use, is it? No, it's not. I want to use the black enamel. And I'm going to try and find an edge catcher. And I'm going to also try and find my gold. Yes, and it is coming out. Probably don't need as much of that as I think. And I've got pink standing by, so why don't I just take that? And now I'm going to get rid of all of these colors that are left over from earlier in the day. It'd be even better if I had a spatula that wasn't this one. I have no idea what they're going to look like. There was a lot of green in there. Get a tool out of the bucket, and I gotta find an edge catcher. Oh, it's right behind me. Good. Now, what else do I want in there? I think the answer is almost always invariably purple, and it'd be really awesome if you... Yes, I got it open. Cool. All right. So between that and the blue, this ought to be interesting. That and the blue and the turquoise. So let's grab my edge catcher. Oh goody, I got a short one. I like short ones better when I'm using smaller stuff. So let's spread it around a little and see what happens. I've got a tickle in my nose. I may sneeze. I want some white metallic from Anita's. Because I can. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link under Show More. Excuse me, probably right over Show More, on the Linktree link actually. Well, I like that black enough. I think I probably have more than enough color. I may have to blow around in this with a straw or something. Well, I know that white is sheer, so no matter how overpowering it looks like it is now, it won't stay that way. It's going to be interesting colors, I hope. I could let a lot of this leave it behind, just leave it behind, but I think it's going to be okay. We shall see. What I need to do to make it okay. Rock the edge catcher so I can cover it. Cover the edge. Come on, unfold. Thank you. Had a kink. Yeah, I'm kinky. I kind of think that turquoise is what I'm going to wind up using. I just let it roll right down, and I'm going to cover the edge with it, and then push it back in again. Scrape it right off. Use the edge catcher for whatever I want. Like I said, I might put chain in there. Is that uncovered? Yes, it is. That is uncovered. So what I will do with that is grab a spatula. Take my leftover paint, put it right in there. Alright, so what do I do with this? It's not really wowing me at all yet. Cover my edges. My edges are fairly well covered. Why don't I just do what I want to do? Bring that edge catcher back, because I think I'm going to be dumping some paint off. Is there another color that I want in there? And the answer is yes. And last but not least, It got a little mucky. I think some gold would be good in there, honestly. Come on. I'm very painty right now. I gotta rinse. That's not actually the gold. But it's still nice. Got some kind of fugly colors going on in there, but I still like my design, even though I'm still working out without my glasses. So I'm just gonna use my skewer and then maybe straw as well. I am being called to magenta with some iridescent pearl fine in it. I actually like that. I wasn't sure it was going to happen. I got paint flakes hanging off me. So, do I want anything else? Maybe just a little bit more? That just makes me want orange. I need one of these with a point on it. Alright, I can't ignore it anymore. Or can I? It's not coming out anyway. Okay, so what have I got instead? I've got a red metallic. Now I really want my glasses. I haven't given that enamel much of a chance, to tell you the truth. I haven't taken the torch to it. I really actually like this now. It's not very accidental, it's a lot of on purpose. I do sell my artwork. I have an email address below the video. Actually, it's underneath the link tree. I'm trying to guess what I should be doing without glasses. I won't be doing that again. I'll be making sure that I have them next time. So let's give it a bit of a torch to release the bubbles in the paint. We might actually get lucky. You never know. And release some patterns. I might just want to dump that off. Darn. Then what would I do? You know what? I'm just going to leave it. Because I don't dislike it. It just doesn't have a lot of paint poured cells or patterns or anything. I love you guys. There's 87,000 of you. Check my Teespring out underneath the video. The clothing is mine. There's totes and more on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. On Facebook, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Please give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Maybe one more dot over there. Or two. Or three. Make the eye leap from there to there. Just muddled the shapes. Alright, you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves, and don't Don't forget to check out, I've over 1,400 videos, and they're all organized by the 100 and by genre. I'm sure there's all kinds of stuff I haven't told you, but you'll watch another video. Or you'll go to Phoenix Rising Priscilla Batzell Art, which is a commercial-free version of what I do. And I'm really happy you guys were here. And I'm happy I did that. I wasn't sure who it was going to be for a little bit, but I am now. Alright, I think I'll like that a lot more tomorrow. Bye for now, Priscilla out. I'll see you anon.